So when we're talking about attracting private pay clients, the right fit is very important. By developing an ideal client persona, or an understanding of, a persona that represents a type of a person that would be an ideal client for you, it helps us develop a marketing message in the future that is really resonating with this person. So obviously, let's take this, let's say male issues, and your ideal client is a parent, right? So we're focusing on this type of parent. We are defining what the approximate income of this type of parent is, so we can determine if they can pay your fees. We define what they're going through, we define their problems, and so on. And all of this will help us build a message and a whole marketing strategy that will help this club bring the client who are the best fit for them, and in turn